And for example, for me, my name is Lily. I represent, three things that represent me is my faith, what I do, communications, and I also like fashion. So let's say that those are my three things. So I think I'll give you a few minutes to talk amongst yourselves and then think about what represents you as a person.
We will pick on you. So
Yeah.
we will pick on you. Everyone now, talk amongst yourselves. 3 words that represent who you are.
I have a spread excellence because, again, like I said, as a black woman in this professional world, I'm always putting up my game to make sure
Number one, as a man of God. Number two, passion for the work of God. Number three, expand the kingdom. That's it. That is it.
Anyway, so me, confident, talkative, loud, you get it.
10 seconds left.
And I'm not white oriental. Shut up, I'm not done. Rich, and shopping, fashion.